Hello everyone, thank you for signing up to a new project, the Good Food Club. My name's Chris Onions and I run the Old Dairy Kitchen here on the farm. Over the next 6 months I'll be guiding you through some simple yet delicious recipes and techniques using the finest ingredients that we have growing here on our doorsteps. We'll be learning how to make dips, sauces and dressings and how to cook vegetables in ways that maximises their flavour, colour and texture. We'll be exploring the world of herbs and spices, condiments and preserves, using some familiar and some lesser known ingredients. We'll cover the basics of bread, pastry and pasta, looking into our local and global food cultures along the way. Our main focus will be on the garden and cooking with the seasons and what's best right now, but there will be a little bit of meat and fish involved in all of the recipes. Each of our boxes contain all you'll need to make wonderful meals to be enjoyed at home, with recipe cards and short technique videos acting as a guide along the way. There's also a handy folder to store your recipes and our Good Food Club apron to keep you all looking very professional. We hope that over the next 6 months we can build a creative and interactive local food community, supporting each other along the way, sharing our stories, successes and failures, and of course eating a lot of fantastic food together. We hope you enjoy your first Good Food Club meal. We look forward to see you all soon to share the stories at our first community lunch.